Meaning of diverge.
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 Diverge. Diverge means to move or develop in different directions from a common point. The result of divergence is a separation or branching out of something into multiple paths, ideas, or opinions. Divergence can occur in many fields, such as in evolutionary biology where species diverge from a common ancestor over time. In mathematics, the divergence of a series refers to the lack of convergence towards a finite value. Overall, divergence can lead to new discoveries, perspectives, and opportunities but can also result in differences and conflicts.